Hello friends, welcome to SATI Learning. In today's lab, we are going to learn how to do a file operation and IO operation using Node.js. So the basic operations in Node.js are read files. So they have exposed read file function, and for creating the files, they exposed write file function. For update files, there is a append file actually. For rename the file, we have a rename function. For delete the file, we have unlink function. So now we will go to the lab. Like we are not concentrating on the theory, so we will mostly concentrate into the practical lab and how to create the file, update the file, and delete the file in the real time. So that like it will be very useful for our in workplace actually. So in the last lab of Node.js, I have already provided the introduction and how to install the Node.js server, how to run the basic files actually. So please go and watch those videos before you start this video. Okay. So the first is we are going to read the file. So and we will use the read file function. So first I have created the welcome HTML. So this is the welcome HTML which I created. This is the simple one. So I mentioned like welcome to Node.js and welcome to Node.js and reading file IO operation. So this one we will open in web browser, and I have created a read file.js. So this is the read file.js. So I have declared a variable HTTP and I request for HTTP, and I have created a function variable fs. This is required for initializing the read, write and delete file, and I am reading the welcome HTML. So this is the function actually. So we need to pass the file name and we need to call the function error and data. So and I'm the response. So I'm writing head. So 200 for the success, and the content type is text-less HTML. So I'm writing the welcome HTML to the response. So this response will write the data into the browser actually. So I'm returning the response to the browser. So I'm listening the server in the 8080 port. So let's run this program. So I will run this command node read file.js. So it started the server. So I'm opening this server in the browser. So you can see the output like welcome to Node.js SATI Learning reading file IO operations. So it's there in our welcome.html. So what I will do is like I have the GitHub repository. So I have created a repository node file IO, and I have uploaded all the files, and you can download this as a zip file and you can run this tutorial in your local desktop. So I will share this link in my YouTube channel. So the second one is we are writing the file. So for writing the file we need to use write file function. So for that I have created a write file.js. So this is the writefile.js. I'm opening the file. So it's very simple actually. I'm declared a variable fs. So I require a fs and I'm calling the write file, and I'm passing the variable my w file.txt, and I'm passing the text which need to be entered into the text file, and if there is any error, I'm throwing that error. So in the end, so I'm just printing the log file created and saved. So let's run this program. So there is one error, so let's resolve this problem. So the error is the file name is not there actually. So node, so write file.js. So file created and saved successfully. Now we will go and check the file is created or not. I'm refreshing this one. So my W file Satileni creating a file using Node.js. So the file is created successfully. So now we will go to the next lab. So the next one is appending the file. So we have already created a file. So in that I am adding some more text actually. So for that I have created a append file.js. So as usual, like so I have created a variable fs, and I call the append file, and so I'm passing the text file, and this is the /n to enter the text in the next line. So I'm appending the text into the existing file. This is the text I'm adding this, and I'm passing the function error. So if there is any error, so I'm throwing that error simply, and so in the console, like I'm writing a file updated successfully. So let's call this one. So file is updated, so there is no error. So now we will open the file. See, now you can see like earlier there is only one line. So now the new line append text to existing file has been added successfully. So we will go to the next one. Next one is renaming the file. See, like what I'm trying to do is I am giving only the basic examples for how to handle the Node.js actually. So I'm not going to the in-depth one. So like in coming videos I will go to in-depth one, like how to deploy in server and all. So I will explain that. So first we learn the basics, basic operation of Node.js. So next one is renaming the file. So this is the renaming file, like it's simply a simple one actually. Just I'm calling rename file, like instead of appending file I'm calling the renaming file. So this is the source file, this is the target file. So I'm calling this one node rename file.js. So file is renamed. So now if you see here, like the old file has been deleted. Now we have my new file. So there is no change in the text. So it's just rename the file. The contents are exist as it is. So the last exercise will be like delete the file actually. So for the delete the file, we are using fs.unlink. So I have created a delete file.js. So let's open the delete file.js. So here I am calling the unlink file, and here I have changed the file name to my new file.txt, and if there is any error I'm throwing, and I'm putting the log file deleted successfully. So let's call this node. So node is the command we need to use. So delete file.js, I'm calling delete file.js. So file is deleted. So now we will go and check the file. So the file is not there actually. So now we will see, for example, like if we are adding the file name which does not exist in that current folder. So let's see like what is the error we are getting. So now we are getting the error actually. So error number is this code sync call and path. So in this path there is no new file that my new file one.txt is not exist. So now we will create a new file and see like so I'm created the new file. File 1. Now we will call this same JS. So now file is deleted. So this is the way this will work actually. And another one, so when we are reading the file, creating the file, correct? So let's run the file without welcome.html. I will rename this to welcome1. So I have renamed the welcome file to welcome1.html. So we'll run this file again. Node read file.js. So now we will create the screen. Server is running at localhost 8082. So sometimes it will cache the details in so the site cannot be reached. So because there is no welcome.html, so it's not reaching the site, and also like we are getting the error actually. So the first argument must be the type string as an instant of buffer, so received undefined. So we are getting that error actually. So there is a problem in the first argument. So now we will go and change the so here we have the welcome file, correct? So now we will open the read file and change this to welcome1 and see here I am adding the welcome1. Now we will refresh the page. So the site is not reached, so we need to restart the we need to run the program again. So now we got the output actually. So this is the way like we need to do the error handling in Node.js. So like today we have learned how to create the read the file. So we read the HTML file and we run in the browser, and we have write a file, and we have appended the text in the existing file, and we rename the existing file, and we have delete the existing file. So this is the how so the Node.js works actually. So thanks for watching the video. Please subscribe and please like and share my YouTube channel. So if you have any comments, please post, and if you need any videos related to Java, AWS, Azure, or any technologies, so please send comments, and I will prepare a video and post it in my YouTube channel. So thanks for watching Saty Learning.